Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So a year ago around this time, these woods were not this quiet, and there were tons and tons of cicadas everywhere. Yeah, I was using cicadas a lot looking for fish about this time last year, and definitely getting on some fish. So today I'm walking down this path. We're gonna go into the reservoir here, hopefully find some bigger panfish. I'm hoping to find some really nice bluegill, but I don't know, beggars can't be choosers. I'm gonna try some things here. I actually do have some cicadas from last year saved up. Found them in my freezer as I was about to defrost the freezer. I was like, I got some cicadas. Let's see if they work. Come along with me. Let's find out. Well, these guys are pretty thawed out now, but kind of a familiar sight from a year ago. Big snapper right there, it looks like. Oh, maybe not. There's something. There we go. Okay, I think I found the bluegill. So we're gonna move down here. Just a little dude, but yeah, there might be some bigger ones out here. Just gotta find a concentration of them. But yeah, so the answer is yes, they will use frozen, or they will eat frozen cicadas. We'll keep looking. There's another one. Fighting well. Might be a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's a little bigger. Alright, just a little bit bigger than that last one. Kind of deformed too, look at that. It's kind of a... Actually, he was definitely used as bait at one point. That's what's going on there. But he's a survivor, so he's gonna keep on surviving. Well, not the best cast there. There was another one though. Well. Yeah, that one got it. I wonder if they'll just bite an empty hook too. Only one way to find out. Oh, they will. That's a better one too. Without the cicada. Man, that's a good fighter. There we go. Yeah, we're getting bigger. We're getting bigger. It's been a long time since I've targeted bluegill, but yeah, that's a nice one. Probably getting close to 8. Look at the forehead on him. Man, beautiful fish. Well, might as well just keep throwing this out there. They like it. It's like cast after cast. It's a fun thing about bluegill. Sometimes you don't even need bait, you just need a hook. All right, getting a little smaller there. There's another one. That's not a bad one either. Hey, well, I came out here to try some old cicadas, but this is working just fine. I caught a rock. First rock of the year. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see if something will get the cicada. There we go. All right. Another not bad one there. Well, he can keep the cicada, but another decent one with half a cicada hanging out of his mouth. Thank you, buddy. Hey, got a tiny bass. Huh. Tiny largemouth there. So I only caught maybe a couple of tiny green sunfish after all this. As you can see, a bunch of boats moved into this little inlet off the reservoir. So yeah, I called it a day after this. So I just wanted to show you some crazy footage that I got last summer when the cicadas were out. This is a stink bug, and somehow it is holding on to this cicada, like just dangling there. Super weird. Never saw anything like that before, but definitely wanted to show you guys that. It was pretty cool. I had some back issues, wasn't feeling like filming a lot this last month and a half or so. Have another video in the works, hopefully here, a little bass video coming up soon as well. But yeah, I do hope to get out some more. I always say that, but times are a little busy for me right now, so yeah, we'll see how much filming I can get done. But I always appreciate you guys watching me. Appreciate all the new subscribers, appreciate the likes, but not a big deal to me. I just appreciate you guys checking out the videos. So hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Peace.